Name is Syed Mohammad Miftauddin Marif. I am honored to stand before you today as a candidate of Common Class Representative. Today I am here to address the common issues which are faced by my people. Today I am here to address those issues and propose some solutions that if you people bring us to in power, that we will 100% assure you guys that we will solve those problems. So the common people are facing very much problems nowadays due to corruption, poor infrastructure, poor health facilities, and corruption in every aspect, bad quality of education. So our primary focus is to improve the education for our people, for our country children's, and improve the medical facilities and improve infrastructure, counter corruption, and enforce law in our country. So to improve education, we propose to bring free education for our country people, and we want to introduce international class education for our people. Coming to healthcare, nowadays common people can't afford basic health necessity for their family. So we want to introduce subsidies and bring international class health technology to address the health issues of our country. We want to bring international class health facility and encourage our people to have good health and build parks and have that people can walk freely every day to maintain their health. We want to bring each and every facility that our people could not afford. Nowadays you can see corruption in every aspect, everywhere. The roads are not built properly, the bridges are collapsing, and people are facing a lot of issues. There is no proper water, sewage in any part of the country. We want to address those things. So if we got into power, we will address those issues and serve our people. We want that our people should be served in a better way, which is not being done yet. Once we come into power, we will surely assure that we will do better for our people and for our community. Thank you.